Hi guys, I'm Dev. I am back on my YouTube channel. I'm doing I promised this for a while, it ain't much. But I'm doing banana for a healthy mukbang. Plus the number neighbor challenge. That's been all over Twitter, YouTube. Everything you can find out. I did it one time, so it is real. Like, someone literally called me that I had no idea, like, who it was. Eating the banana. Okay. Here comes my brother Blake. Say hi guys.
But why are we eating a banana?
Healthy challenge.
Healthy?
Yeah, I got Blake. Can you subscribe to Blake Roberts, my brother? You would love that, wouldn't you? Subscribe to him and me. Dante Burnett, I forgot what he calls his YouTube channel.
But subscribe to Dante and Elroy.
And Elroy too, but I forgot what his YouTube channel's name too. You'll find it though.
Yeah, we will.
So here we go, guys. I'm about to do the number neighbor challenge.
What do we have to do?
I'll be back to let you know how that went. Bye guys. See you in a minute.